Hello YouTubes, it is 1 week till Christmas Day. Now I'm sure you're all ready, you've got all your gifts purchased, wrapped under the tree, I hope. I've got one more chore for you. A couple of weeks ago I started a little competition where you were to leave comments with suggestions for new merch ideas like little logos on t-shirts and mugs. I have now closed that comment section, so if you didn't leave a comment until now, you're too late. I'm sorry, you'll need to wait till next year. So today we're going to start the voting process, and you have until Friday midnight to vote for your favourite catchphrase. They will be running up this side of the screen at the end of this video, and they're all numbered to make it much easier. I did try to do a poll, but you're only allowed 4 options in a poll, and you guys gave me way more work than that. So all you need to do, leave a comment below. Start with the number of your favourite. If you want to leave a comment after the number, you can do that, but I need the number right at the start of the comment just to make life easier. And I will be announcing the winner on Saturday, Christmas Eve, around 8 or 9 o'clock. I will decide and leave a comment below in the description, and it will be roughly 8 or 9 o'clock Saturday evening, Christmas Eve. And we will announce the winner and talk about other nonsense that I've been doing throughout the year. It's not exactly going to be a party, don't get dressed up. So with that said, I will leave you to peruse this endless list of ideas that you suggested, and we'll see who wins. Oh, prize? Not sure yet. Probably like 2 t-shirts or a t-shirt and a mug, or 2 mugs, or we'll see. See how generous I feel on Saturday evening. See how many people turn up. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.